Before you take this year's RMD, it's very important that you understand the new rules that just took place back in 2022 in December. The Secure Act 2.0 was signed into effect in December 2022 around Christmas time. Here's the 5 big changes. Number 1, you used to have to take RMDs at age 70 and a half. And then in 2020 with the Secure Act 1.0, it got changed to 72. Well, now with the Secure Act 2.0, it's now age 73, and in 2033, it will be bumped up to age 75. This is actually a double-edged sword because you have more time where you don't have to take required minimum distributions on your pre-tax accounts, but it also means that you will end up paying more in the latter years of your retirement. One good thing that did just happen is that the penalties, if you made a mistake or you didn't take your full RMD, they're cut in half. So it used to be a 50% penalty on missing any RMDs. So for example, if you had to take a $10,000 RMD and you didn't, the penalty would have been half that, which is 50%. Now it got cut to 25%, which I think is pretty cool. One other good thing is that qualified charitable distributions, or in other words, if you took an RMD and gave it to a charity, you wouldn't have to pay taxes on it because it's going to a nonprofit. Well, they just bumped up the limit to 100,000. So you can actually take 100,000 as an RMD, give it to a charity and not have to pay any taxes on it, which is really, really cool. And finally, Roth 401ks no longer are required for you to take an RMD each year. Believe it or not, usually with Roth IRAs, you do not have to take an RMD, but with Roth 401ks, you did. Now you do not, which is kind of cool, makes it nice and convenient. I highly recommend saving in a Roth 401k because it's tax-free. And as long as your employer offers it, I'd encourage you, check out the Roth 401ks. You're gonna appreciate the tax-free benefit on the harvest versus the tax-deferred benefit on the harvest where you have to pay taxes on that larger amount later. If you have any questions on RMDs and you're concerned that you may not do it right, please reach out to us. We've got information on how you can get a hold of us to get that advice. We'd love to help you. We look forward to seeing you on the next video.